Placemat size. Finding your perfect fit, KD for you. In a world of home decor, the seemingly small details can make a world of difference. One such detail is the humble yet powerful placemat. Whether you're hosting an elegant dinner party or simply adding some flair to your everyday meals, the right placemat can enhance your dining experience and complement your interior design. Choosing the right placemat size may seem like a minor consideration, but it's crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. A placemat that's too small may fail to protect your table, while one that's too large can make your dining area look cramped and cluttered. The right size can create a balanced and visually appealing table setting. At KD4U, we understand the importance of finding the perfect fit. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you make an informed decision. We'll explore various placemat sizes, their uses, and how they can make a significant impact on your dining setup. With our expertise and helpful tips, you'll be sure to find the perfect fit for your dining table and elevate your home decor game. Standard placemat dimensions. When it comes to placemats, one size definitely does not fit all. The world of placemat dimensions is surprisingly diverse, catering to a wide range of table sizes, shapes, and personal preferences. Let's explore the standard sizes for different placemat shapes and how they can enhance your table setting. Rectangular placemats. Rectangular placemats are perhaps the most common and versatile option. The standard placemat size for rectangular mats typically ranges from 18 inches to 14 inches in width and 12 inches to 16 inches in height. A popular size is 18 inches by 12 inches, which provides ample coverage for most place settings without overwhelming the table space. Square placemats. Square placemats offer a modern, symmetrical look that works well with contemporary table settings. These usually measure between 13 inches by 13 inches and 15 inches by 15 inches. The perfect square shape creates a neat, orderly appearance, especially when used on square or rectangular tables. Round placemats. For those with round tables or who prefer a softer look, round placemats are an excellent choice. Standard sizes for round placemats typically range from 14 inches to 16 inches in diameter. These circular mats can add a playful touch to your table setting and work particularly well with round plates, oval placemats. Oval placemats offer a unique blend of rectangular and round shapes. They typically measure around 18 inches by 14 inches or 20 inches by 15 inches. These placemats can add an elegant touch to both oval and rectangular tables, softening the edges of angular tables while still providing good coverage. It's worth noting that while these are standard sizes, placemats come in a variety of dimensions. The key is to choose the right placemat size that complements your table size, dinnerware, and overall dining aesthetic. Table shapes and placemat pairings. The shape of your dining table plays a crucial role in determining the most suitable placemat size and shape. Let's explore how to pair placemats with different table shapes for optimal visual appeal and functionality. Rectangular tables. Rectangular tables are the most common and versatile when it comes to placemat pairings. You can use rectangular placemats. The classic choice, these align perfectly with the table's edges. Square placemats. For a more modern look, especially on wider tables. Oval placemats, to soften the table's angular lines while maintaining good coverage. For a standard rectangular table, aim for placemats that are about 20 inches wide to ensure adequate coverage without overcrowding. Square tables. Square tables offer a unique opportunity for creative placemat arrangements. Square placemats create a perfectly symmetrical look. Round placemats add an interesting contrast to the table's sharp corners. Rectangular placemats can be used, but ensure they don't hang over the table edge. Round tables. Round tables require careful consideration to maintain their circular aesthetic. Round placemats, the obvious choice, maintaining the table's circular theme. Square placemats can create an interesting geometric contrast. Oval placemats offer a middle ground between round and angular shapes. When using non-round placemats on a round table, be mindful of the overhang to prevent interference with seating. Oval tables. Oval tables present a unique challenge but also offer versatility. Oval placemats naturally complement the table's shape. Rectangular placemats work well, especially when aligned with the table's longer axis. Round placemats can add a softer touch to the table's elongated shape. Remember, the goal is to find the perfect balance between the placemat and your table shape, enhancing your dining space's overall aesthetic while ensuring functionality. Placemat sizing for different occasions. The occasion often dictates the appropriate placemat size and style. Let's explore how to choose the right placemat for various dining scenarios. Formal dining events. For formal occasions, elegance and precision are key. Opt for larger placemats, around 18 inches by 14 inches or 20 inches by 15 inches, to accommodate multiple courses and utensils. Consider layering a smaller decorative placemat over a larger one for added sophistication. Ensure placemats are perfectly aligned and evenly spaced. Casual family meals. For everyday family dining, practicality meets comfort. Standard 18 by 12 rectangular placemats usually work well. Consider durable, easy-to-clean materials like vinyl or treated fabric. For children, smaller placemats, around 14 inches by 10 inches, might be more manageable. Outdoor gatherings. Outdoor dining calls for versatility and durability. Slightly larger placemats, 20 inches by 15 inches, can help define space on picnic tables or uneven surfaces. Opt for weather-resistant materials like vinyl or treated natural fibers. Consider placemats with weighted corners for breezy conditions. Holiday celebrations. Festive occasions allow for more decorative and elaborate placemat choices. Larger placemats, up to 22 inches by 16 inches, can accommodate holiday-themed dinnerware and decorations. Consider using seasonal shapes like leaf-shaped placemats for autumn gatherings. Layer placemats with charger plates and table runners for a rich, festive look. Children's tables. For little diners, size and practicality are paramount. Smaller placemats, 14 inches by 10 inches or 16 inches by 12 inches, are easier for children to manage. Choose wipeable, stain-resistant materials. Consider fun shapes or interactive designs to keep young diners engaged. Remember, the right size placemat not only enhances the visual appeal of your table, but also contributes to the overall comfort and enjoyment of your guests. Material considerations and size impact. The material of your placemat can significantly influence its size and how it functions on your table. Let's explore various materials and their impact on placemat sizing. Fabric placemats. Fabric placemats offer versatility and a soft touch to your table. Often come in standard sizes, 18 inches by 12 inches or 20 inches by 15 inches. Can be slightly larger to allow for hemming and potential shrinkage. Softer fabrics may require larger sizes to prevent curling at the edges. Vinyl and plastic placemats. These durable options are perfect for everyday use. Typically available in standard sizes, but can be found in larger dimensions for added protection. Rigid structure allows for precise sizing without the need for extra allowance. Great for children's placemats, often in smaller sizes, 14 inches by 10 inches. Woven placemats. Woven placemats made from materials like jute, bamboo, or rattan add texture to your table. May require slightly larger sizes, 19 inches by 13 inches or 21 inches by 15 inches, to account for potential fraying or uneven edges. Natural variations in weave can affect the effective size of the placemat. Wood and cork placemats. These eco-friendly options bring a natural element to your table. Often comes in standard sizes, but may be slightly thicker. A rigid structure allows for precise sizing. May require larger sizes to provide adequate protection for heavier or hot dishes. When selecting placemat materials, consider not just the aesthetic, but how the material's properties might affect the size you need to achieve the desired look and function on your dinner table. Customizing placemat sizes. Sometimes, standard sizes just don't cut it. Customizing your placemat size can ensure a perfect fit for your unique table and dining style. DIY placemat creation. Creating your own placemats allows for complete size customization. Measure your table and place settings to determine the ideal size. Add an extra inch on all sides for hemming if using fabric. Consider creating templates for consistent sizing across multiple placemats. Working with custom placemat makers. Many artisans and companies offer custom placemat services. Provide precise measurements of your desired placemat size. Discuss material options that may affect the final dimensions. Consider ordering a sample or prototype before committing to a full set. Adjusting store-bought placemats. You can modify existing placemats to better fit your needs. Fabric placemats can often be trimmed and rehemmed. Rigid placemats like vinyl or wood might be cut to size with appropriate tools. Be cautious of altering placemats with special coatings or finishes. Digital design and printing options for unique designs and precise sizing. Use graphic design software to create placemat designs at exact dimensions. Work with print-on-demand services that offer custom sizing options. Consider how different materials, paper, fabric, vinyl, might affect the final printed size. Customizing your placemat size ensures that you find the perfect fit for your table, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your dining space. Placemat layering and size coordination. Layering placemats can add depth and interest to your table setting, but it requires careful size coordination to achieve a balanced look. Using charger plates with placemats. Charger plates can elevate your table setting. Choose placemats about 2 to 3 inches larger than your charger plate on all sides. For a 13-inch charger, consider a placemat around 18 inches by 15 inches or larger. Ensure the placemat doesn't overwhelm the table space when combined with the charger. Combining different placemat shapes. Mixing placemat shapes can create visual interest. Layer a smaller square placemat, 14 inches by 14 inches, over a larger rectangular one, 20 inches by 15 inches. Use a round placemat, 15-inch diameter, over a square one, 16-inch by 16-inch, for a softer look. Ensure the base placemat is large enough to frame the top layer effectively. Seasonal layering techniques. Adapt your layering for different seasons. Use larger base placemats in festive colors for holidays, topped with smaller, more intricate designs. In summer, layer a light, airy placemat over a more substantial base for a breezy feel. Winter settings might involve heavier textured placemats in larger sizes for a cozy atmosphere. Balancing placemat sizes with table runners. Coordinate placemats with table runners for a cohesive look. Ensure placemats don't overlap the runner excessively. Leave about 2 inches of runner visible on either side. For a 14-inch wide runner, consider placemats no wider than 16 to 18 inches. Adjust placemat placement to maintain a balanced look along the length of the runner. By carefully considering size when layering placemats, you can create rich, visually appealing table settings that enhance your overall dining experience. Practical considerations for placemat sizing. While aesthetics are important, practical aspects of placemat sizing shouldn't be overlooked. Let's explore some key considerations that can impact your choice of placemat size. 1. Storage solutions for different sizes. Consider how you'll store your placemats when not in use. Larger placemats may require more storage space. Consider folding options for fabric mats. Stackable rigid placemats in standard sizes may be easier to store in drawer organizers. Custom-sized placemats might need bespoke storage solutions. 2. Cleaning and maintenance. Based on size. The size of your placemat can affect its care requirements. Larger placemats may be more challenging to clean in standard washing machines. Smaller placemats might be easier to wipe down quickly for everyday use. Consider how size impacts drying time and potential shrinkage for fabric placemats. 3. Durability factors related to size. The size of a placemat can influence its longevity. Larger placemats may experience more wear at the edges due to overhangs. Smaller placemats might show signs of use more quickly in high-traffic areas. Consider reinforced edges for larger placemats to enhance durability. Cost implications of various sizes. Placemat size can affect your budget. Larger placemats generally cost more due to increased material use. Custom sizes may come with a premium price tag. Consider the long-term value. Larger, more durable placemats might be more cost-effective over time. 5. Versatility of different placemat sizes. Think about how flexible your placemat size choice is. Standard sizes, 18 inches by 12 inches, offer the most versatility for different table settings. Larger sizes provide more coverage but may limit table arrangement options. Smaller placemats might be more adaptable for various occasions and table sizes. By considering these practical aspects alongside aesthetic preferences, you can choose the right placemat size that not only looks great, but also fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and home. Final thoughts. As we've journeyed through the world of placemat sizes, it's clear that this often overlooked table accessory plays a crucial role in creating the perfect dining atmosphere. From the standard dimensions that grace most tables to the custom sizes that cater to unique needs, the right placemat size for your table is more than just a matter of measurements. It's about enhancing your entire dining experience. We've explored how different table shapes demand specific placemat sizes, how various occasions call for tailored approaches, and how material choices can impact the overall look and feel of your table setting. We've delved into the art of layering placemats and coordinating them with other table linens, all while keeping practical considerations like storage, cleaning, and durability in mind. Meta description: learn how to choose the right placemat size for your table setting. Enhance your dining experience with the perfect dimensions for rectangular placemats.